What do you want?
I bring you redemption.
Let's jump right onto it. I don't want to waste any of your time, so let's get started. I received this package and I think I might know what it is. But this time we're gonna follow the instruction step by step. Is the moment of truth. Yes! 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 She's back! She's alive! Yes! Oh my gosh, she's back! I'm so happy! Oh, it's good to have you back. Let's clean.
Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to reach to you. These days are all.
This is the sound of redemption. This is the sound of happiness. This is the sound of victory. Okay, so 3 things I've learned from this experience. First of all, I could do anything I put my mind into if I prepare myself and if I organize myself for that thing. Second, do not buy screwdrivers from the Chinese shop downstairs because they are bullshit. I've used it literally only the time that you've seen as well, so only for these 2 videos, only to fix the Dyson, nothing else, and the tip is already broken, so yeah. Third, I could not possibly live in a world where I don't have a vacuum cleaner. For you has been like probably 1 week. Maybe if you're seeing these videos in the future, it's only been a few minutes. For me, has been months without a vacuum cleaner. And I don't want to live like that. Okay, see you next Friday. Ciao, ciao. Now that I think about it, I should rescue the trigger. The trigger is new? No?